Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. I am very excited because we have an unboxing. I have a brand new bag that I cannot wait to tell you guys about. It is from the brand Mifland, and yes. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So I actually discovered Mifland through Wil Mikayson's sister. One day we were talking about Black-owned businesses, and I told her I was gearing up for my Black History Month and just introducing you guys to, you know, a couple of new brands that you may not have known about or no one actually talks about here on YouTube. So she was telling me about Mifland and she was like, they're hella dope. And, you know, I looked at their Instagram page. I was like, oh yeah, this is dope. And she actually had the bag with her. So I got to, you know, feel it up, you know, smell it, all that stuff. So I was like, okay, I think they might be onto something right here. So the next time I saw her, she still had the bag. And I was like, you know what, let me put this thing on. So I put it on and I was like, order. I ended up ordering it and now we're here. I just want to give you a little info on the brand. I feel so terrible that I'm about to butcher this man's name, but I'm going to try. So this is founded by Toby Egberongbe. I want to say I nailed that, but I probably didn't. But they're based through New York and Atlanta, and it's handmade. It's hella dope. So you know me, I like a good craftsman piece. So that's why I was like, yeah, we're gonna inquire about this. So this is the box that it came in, a regular shipping box. This one was shipped out of Atlanta. So we're gonna see how this packaging goes. I don't know how anything is presented. So this is a real true unboxing. Nice. Hold on, let me move my packing slip. Look at this. Look, that's nice. Huge dust bag. The bag that I got was their saddle bag. Oh, this ain't even a Ziploc. Okay, look at this. I gotta cut again. Let's do that. So yeah, let's cut it all open. Don't cut the bag, girl. Here we have it. This is their saddle bag. And I was just like, wow. So this is a bit more natural than most bags that I do have in my collection, which is totally fine. It has like raw edges. On the back, you see the raw grain of the leather. But when I tell you this leather, you smell it. Woo, that smells like a new pair of shoes. But what was cool about it is this stamp right here. So it has all of their information on it. And then they have, I guess it's almost like a serial number or how many bags within this collection. I'm not sure of the details of it, but I thought it was a dope detail. There's a little paragraph I'm gonna read to y'all real quick. So it says, our hand-chosen leathers are sourced domestically and treated at our hubs in New York and Atlanta. The art of selecting the hides used is the most important part of the Mifland process. Our English, ooh, I can't read that one. Bridle? No, that's not bridle. Our English leathers range between 6 and 8 ounces and are as supple as they are durable. So the reason why I wanted to get this one is because as Wil's sister, the second time she came and we talked, the leather aged and it got to this nice cognac-y color. And I was just like, oh, I love it. And then it was just a little bit more supple, just, oh, I loved everything about it. So I said, let me just go on ahead and get this. I do see this little mark right here, so I'm a little curious about it. I made sure my hands didn't have any oils on it, because you know I'm not trying to mess up my bag. So As far as opening the bag, I thought at first this was some sort of pocket you can put something behind. It is not. It's just kind of a pull situation. A button. And then you open it up and bam, this is the inside. It's this raw leather. Oof. It's just a lot of leather. It's just, it's something different for me. Now, of course, you know, first thought is, oh, this is Dior saddlebag. I already know that's going to be the thing that you're going to compare it to. And because that's what I compared it to. I was like, okay, I'd rather spend my $300 on a black owned company and still get the same vibe versus $3,000 and it's not even half handcrafted, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'm perfectly fine with doing that. I want to take this off, but I also am a little nervous about this stain. Like, and that's the only thing I was kind of worried about when it came to this bag, because I know that it's natural. So as soon as any sort of oil or water possibly will hit it, it will look different. So, but I also enjoy that. I didn't tell you about their website. They actually do have different variations of it. For me, it was between this one and the black one that they had. And that black one is still calling me. They even had a beige, and one that wasn't on the site was a mustard. And I think those are dyed leather, where this is more raw natural. But I just wanted the patina process. But let me get into the strap. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 setting adjustments, which I thought was dope. I tell y'all know I'm a stickler for good leather. Woo, she is nice and loose. But silver hardware. And this could be worn a few ways. So we're just gonna go ahead and make it to the last little rung over here. Is it 9, 3, 6? Yeah, it is. No, there's 10. I'm sorry, 10 adjustments. So it's giving crossbody. I've become that girl now. Crossbody girl. It's, look at it. So I had put this on, slung it over like this, and I just fell in love. I fell right in love with it. And I was just like, yeah, this is something I want to experiment with. Due to the size, it's not gonna fit everything, but it will fit the essentials. Y'all know I sized down dramatically when it comes to smaller bags. I cannot wait until this ages a little bit and I can revisit and come back to you guys. But right now, I am digging how this all looks. I don't want you guys to get scared because of the one that I particularly chose. I knew going into it, this one is raw and it's gonna take a little bit of, you know, it has a little bit more TLC, okay? But the other ones are dyed already, and I'm sure you can just go about your life, do what you're doing. But it was something about this one that really just spoke to me. I was thinking about outfits in my mind, and I'm like, all right, as it ages, I live for the patina, okay? That's why I wanted it. And construction-wise, I think this is pretty darn good. I can't wait till it gets really, like, it's already soft, but it's gonna get softer. Ah, my goodness. And then, I'm a freak this. So I really do like this brand. They do offer more than just the saddle bag. They have a tote bag. They have a few different ones. You need to pop on their site and see what they offer. But I think as a first impression, I'm liking it, and I'm liking it a lot. And I can't wait to see how this ages. And of course, I'm gonna update you when it does. But in the meantime, check out some of my other videos and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.